This is part 3 in our mini-series about pirated software. In the first 2 videos, we looked at some of the tricks and risks behind pirated software. So now it's time to finish on a positive note. What can you do instead? We'll look at free and open source options, legal and affordable alternatives, and smart user practices you can use no matter what software you use. First up, let's talk about free and open source options. There are many popular programs that have free alternatives which may not be as feature-rich but still get the job done. Let's start with Office suites. If you need a program that's similar to Microsoft Office, check out LibreOffice. It's completely free and has all the basics covered. You get a word processor, spreadsheet app, presentation maker, and more. Plus, it supports Microsoft Office file formats so you won't have trouble opening DOC files and the like. For a more user-friendly experience, you can also try OpenOffice, which has a more intuitive interface but fewer features. If you need image editing software, there are plenty of options here too. For something similar to Adobe Photoshop, check out GIMP. It's a powerful tool with tons of advanced features, plugins, and a large community of users. Another popular choice is Photopea. It's a web-based editor that doesn't require installation and offers a similar experience to Photoshop. It's not quite as feature-rich, but it's much easier to learn. Krita is another great option for digital artists who prefer a more traditional interface. And if you're looking for something lightweight yet powerful, check out PhotoPass Pro. It has free and open source and offers a wide range of tools for basic and advanced photo editing. When it comes to operating systems, you can install Linux instead of a cracked version of Windows. Linux is a completely free and open source operating system that offers a stable and secure platform for gaming and productivity. There are tons of different distros to choose from, each with its own unique features and interface. Some popular choices include Ubuntu, Fedora, Mint, and Arch. And don't worry, you don't have to be a tech wizard to install Linux. There are plenty of user-friendly distros that are perfect for beginners. Just keep in mind that you might have to adjust to a new way of doing things since Linux does things a little differently than Windows. But hey, if you're not into Microsoft Office, LibreOffice, or Adobe apps, you can also use free and open source software for those too. Audacity is a great example. It's free, open source, and perfect for recording and editing audio tracks. If you're looking for a free and open source video editor, check out OpenShot. It's a lightweight yet powerful editor that offers tons of features and supports various video formats. Blender is an amazing 3D creation suite that's completely free and open source. Whether you want to create 3D models, animations, or even video games, Blender has everything you need, and it has a thriving community of users and creators. But wait, there's more. There are tons of other free and open source programs that you can use instead of their proprietary counterparts. The key is to do a little research and find alternatives that meet your specific needs. You can start by checking out websites like SourceForge, GitHub, and open source software. You'll find thousands of free and open source programs that can help you get the job done. Now let's talk about legal and affordable alternatives. Did you know that many popular programs offer student or education versions at a steep discount? This is especially true for software from Adobe, Microsoft, and Autodesk. These companies offer special pricing for students and educators, which can save you a ton of money. The only catch is that you need to be enrolled in an educational institution, and usually you need to provide proof of enrollment. But hey, if you're a student, this is a great way to get the software you need without breaking the bank. Another legal alternative to pirating software is to take advantage of subscription models. Many companies offer pay-as-you-go plans that allow you to access their software for a small monthly fee. This is a great option if you do need the software full-time or if you're not willing to pay for a full license. For example, you can pay a few dollars per month to access Microsoft Office or Adobe Creative Cloud. Just keep in mind that these plans typically auto-renew, so make sure to cancel your subscription if you don't need it anymore. Finally, let's talk about cloud-based tools. There are tons of software as a service options out there that offer free or low-cost alternatives to popular programs. For example, if you need a spreadsheet app, you can use Google Sheets. It's free, easy to use, and collaborative. Or if you're looking for a word processor, check out Google Docs. It's also free, easy to use, and collaborative. Heck, you can even use the browser-based WPS Office to access a full-featured Office suite for free. Of course, these aren't one-size-fits-all solutions. If you need advanced features or offline access, you might have to opt for a different solution. But hey, it's worth exploring these options before you resort to pirating software. Now let's discuss some smart user practices you can use no matter what software you use. First and foremost, always download software from official websites. This will ensure that you are getting a legitimate copy of the software and avoid any potential malware or viruses. Avoid downloading from third-party websites or using torrent sites, as they could be distributing fake or tampered versions of the software. Another smart practice is to take advantage of free trials. Many programs offer free trials that allow you to test out the software before you commit to buying it. This is a great way to try out a program and see if it is right for you before you spend any money. Finally, remember to compare alternatives before you pay for anything. Don't just jump at the first option you see. Take the time to explore all of your options and compare features, pricing, and reviews before making a decision. You might be surprised at what you find, and you could potentially save a ton of money in the process. Well, folks, that's it for our mini-series on pirated software. We hope we've convinced you to ditch the piracy and explore the many free, open source, and affordable legal alternatives out there. Remember, pirated software is never truly free. You pay with your data, privacy, and peace of mind. But with free, open source, and affordable legal tools, you can stay safe and productive. If you found this series useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more tech tips. And why not share this video with your friends and family who might also be interested in learning about safer and smarter ways to use software. Thanks for watching and happy computing.